Okay guys, today we have a video demonstration for a removal of a backhoe on a Mahindra Max series. If you bear with me here, we don't have started just yet. First and foremost, we need to remove these rear pins. There's one on each side for your 3-point arms. And just let them drop. First thing we want to do is we want to lower the boom to make a 3-point connection to the ground. So what we'll have is it's on the frame, and then we're going to extend this to have a third, just like a tripod. Okay, and we're going to use that pressure of this to remove these top pins, and we'll get a close-up shot later. Again, one on each side. Lynch pins, very simple, very easy. Now, once again, we're going to continue to let the machine do all the work for us. We're simply going to take the pressure off this and let it roll back to it. You can see how it's rolling out. What we want to do, again, I'll show you close-up shots later, is clear this framework. Now that we're clear, we'll take our outriggers, and this is now going to be our 3 points for our tripod. We're going to raise it up out of the bottom hooks. And we'll move our tractor forward. Now, my preference, and I tell everybody to do the same, is while you have it still hooked to the hydraulics, is to go ahead and lower it, simply for safety factors. The wind gets heavier or bad or whatnot, it is not going to blow over. That thing's safe as in your womb. So again, we'll shut the tractor off, and like any quick connector hydraulic system, we want to bleed all the pressure off the line, so we'll work all the controls, all directions. This particular model has 3 lines, and they're the same simple quick connects. Now again, this one has 3, so the particular reason for that is you must take this one that is loose, droop it back down to the only male connector in the system. What that does is complete your loader system, so if you have your loader on, you can still utilize full operations of your loader. Now your 3-point hitches has 2 pins, one on each side of the arms. It has a slight bend to it. The bend always has to go towards the drawbar. Sway link simply goes right here by the tire. With a lynch pin. We'll do the same thing on this side. Now you are ready to drive away and hook up any 3-point arm implement you want to use. Your brush hog, your back blade, your rakes, or whatever. And you're ready to go. All right, guys, we're ready to install our backhoe back on our Mahindra tractor. We have previously already taken close-up shots. We have our 3-point links already disconnected. Our hydraulic lines are already connected. So at this point, all we have to do is start it and raise the implement or attachment. That's way too high. Now we'll back under it. Not quite high enough, had clear drawbar. We'll get her in just a second. Two for it. I didn't quite get it lined up very good, guys. I apologize. There it is. So sorry for the misconfusion. All right, we have the bottom ones in with our outriggers. We'll use the top one to bring pressure back and line up our top pins, and we will be done. And there you are. It's all done. Well, no it isn't. Once again, I got the cart in front of the horse. When you hook up your 3-point arms, the sway link goes to the outside of the pin, not inside with the bar. Now it is ready for transport.